Hello. So the first thing we're going to do is get Python installed on our computer. As you can see, I already have a web browser here. I did a simple Google search for Python. If you're in my Canvas class, I'll have a link that will take you directly to this first one that came up. It's python.org. So we'll hit that, and then we can go to downloads, and you see it says download Python install manager. I can click that and it will download onto my system. And as soon as that is ready, I already have one here, so I'll use that one. I click it, and you can see it comes in with the install Python. I'm not going to mess with launch when ready. It won't bother anything if you do. I hit install Python. Um, so it is doing its thing. I already have Python on here, so I'm going to hit reinstall. Okay. But that is the idea. Realize when you pull this down, it says MS or .msix. That is not actual Python. That is an installer. So you will have to run this in order to put Python onto your computer. So yours, it will install it, but you need to use this manager in order to do so.